Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Chrome's version and note the extension ID. Once done, disable other extensions to isolate conflicts so you know the problem isn't elsewhere. Now, open Chrome, / extensions and toggle developer mode on. This reveals tools you'll need. You'll also prepare a working folder for the extension files if available. Make sure to keep Chrome running and a backup of any config or data. This prevents accidental loss when you proceed to inspect and reinstall components. You inspect the extension's runtime, click Details, then inspect views to open DevTools for background, pop-up, or content scripts. Look in the console for JavaScript errors and network for missing resources. These clues tell you which files failed. Once identified, replace corrupted scripts or assets with clean copies from the extension package or developer source. If permissions or manifest issues appear, edit manifest. JSON carefully and save. After edits, reload the extension using the Reload button. This applies changes immediately and shows new errors if any. You finalize by reloading the extension and testing the exact feature that failed. Exercise the workflow end-to-end to confirm fix. If behavior persists, clear cache data and reset extension storage through DevTools Application tab, then reload again. If nothing changes, check for Chrome Enterprise policies or a corrupted user profile. These can block extensions. As a last step, remove and reinstall the extension from a verified source or create a new Chrome profile. This often resolves hidden profile-level corruption without further debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.